Hi guys, all of you know that we are living in a smart and fast world, so we have to upgrade ourselves also. So today guys, I have brought you a cool and amazing video for top 5 smart and unique gadgets, which are relatively easy to use. So guys, to know them, please watch the full video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So first, Fingerbot. Control all devices remotely through apps. Guys, our fingers do many things, especially when we have to turn on or off any appliances. This sounds so easy, and it is. But think about when you forget to turn off an appliance and you are out of home. To remove this tension, there is a device named Fingerbot. From its name, you have got the clue that it will be your 11th finger, which will always at the appliance. It is totally wireless and can be controlled with its application. It will physically connect it to the power button, and with one tap on your phone, it will turn off on the appliance. It also works with Google and Alexa Assistant, so you can make a coffee with this. Switch on the CPU, remotely open PC of your office from home, turn off the lights, start the AC. In fact, you can also set the alarm so it will do its work on that time. Second, boost surfing fin. Electric fin for any surfboard. Guys, we all love surfing, but in surfing it needs strong muscles and power. So it is not easy for everybody to surf for hours, sometimes minutes, and sometimes we don't get tides and waves, so our surfing don't get fun. So to aid this problem, we are presenting you Boost Surfing Fin, electric fin for any surfboard. It is installed on the surfboard as ordinary fin, but its work is extraordinary. It will provide you thrust and save your energy. Its motor provides 20 pounds of motor thrust, which will generate 3 times more waves and extra fun. Its battery lasts long for 4 hours, and its motor provides 11 miles per hour of top motor speed. It will make surfing easier for elder people, kids and low immunity people. Third, CareGo, personal alarm for peace of mind. Guys, we love our loved ones and also careful for them. But we can't be never stay near to them. In that time duration, what problem they face, we don't know. Regarding this serious issue, CareGo personal alarm for peace of mind will be perfectly fit to this condition. Its advantage is that it is so small that you can also take it with you anywhere like keys. On sliding its button, it sends a SOS message to your loved ones with your location on GPS, and their phone will be start ringing loudly, even their phone on silent. It is released with Bluetooth 5 compatibility and can be controlled with your iOS. You can also find your phone from it or itself from phone by sending message. Its battery lasts long for 1 year and can only be charged for 1 hour. It will prove best for your loved one's security. Fourth, bullet SSD, tiny and high speed drive. Guys, we want that we can store everything with us. But every time it is not possible because of most of the data is stored in our PC's hard disk or our mobile phones. But we can't take them everywhere anytime. The solution of this is bullet SSD, a tiny and high speed drive. This looks like a keychain, but its work is more than its size. It can store up to 2 TB of data and can be connected with smartphones, camera, laptop, PC, etc. With this, you can enjoy unlimited photography. You can also connect it with PlayStation and enjoy limitless gaming. It is world's smallest SSD. The most important thing that its data transfer is 500 MB per second.
Fifth, Pioneer ND-DVR100. Dash cam mounts discreetly on vehicle. You don't want anything getting in the way of your vision while driving. That's why the sleek Pioneer ND-DVR100 small dash cam works so well. It discreetly mounts on your windshield while still providing a 2-inch LCD screen, recording at a rate of 27.5 frames per second. This compact dash cam works on a loop. This starts up as soon as you turn on your vehicle and it sleeps when you turn the engine off. That way you don't have to think about a thing. Additionally, this discrete dash cam installs easily thanks to its adhesive backing and with a cord that plugs into your vehicle for power. This Pioneer dash cam will stay charged up at all times. If the unfortunate occurs and you find yourself in an accident, this camera automatically detects it and saves important footage. Make sure you have a backup in case of anything happens.